Hello viewers, in this video we will learn about how to install Python 3 in Linux. So basically in a Linux system we don't need to install any versions of Python, but we can update that Python versions by using certain commands. Okay, so for right now I am teaching you how to access that Python versions using terminal. So first of all you need to click on this icon, and after that you need to search for terminal and press enter. Once terminal will open, you need to write a Python. You will write the Python, then it will give you the access to Python 2.7 as you can see over here. And if you want to access the Python 3, then you need to write like this Python 3, then it will give you the access to Python 3 and you can use the functions of Python 3 by using this Python 3 command. Okay, so this is basically a introduction about how to install a Python in a Linux system, which we don't need to install. We just need to access that Python as our need. So this is how we can access that Python versions over here. You can update this Python version by using certain commands. Okay, thank you.